Hey everyone, my name is Shariyo and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I bleached some of my old clothes. You will see the before clips as well as the after clips, and I've also recorded the process for you guys. In case you try it out, make sure to share some pictures with me, and if you're posting that on Instagram, then please tag me in it.
So the first thing that I'm going to bleach is this knit sweater. It already had some bleach spots on it, and that is the reason why I couldn't wear it before, and this is why I'm going to bleach it. Next up, I had this black t-shirt. It was very old and I wasn't using it. I also had this black leggings, so I decided to bleach both of them. I also decided to crop this t-shirt before and then bleach it. I also had this two-piece set that I made from an old track pant, and it already had some bleach spots on it, and that is the reason why I decided to bleach it. Make sure that you bleach your clothes outside your house, and also you will need a strong thread and some elastic. So I took a small spray bottle and filled it half with bleach and half with water, and that is the solution that you will need to bleach your clothes. So I made sure that the clothes that I'm bleaching were damp, and what I'm doing here is I'm crumpling the t-shirt from one end and I'm repeating it from all the sides, and then I'm securing it with a thread, and then I'm tying it off with a knot. I repeated the same procedure for all the other clothes. Now the clothes are ready for bleaching. You just have to take the spray bottle and spray the water and bleach solution on it. I don't know how long I kept the bleach on, but this is right after 30 minutes, and you can see that the bleaching is already started. I really loved how the leggings was turning out. As you can see, it is a very pretty orange color. After some time, I washed the clothes and dried them, but I wasn't quite happy with the two-piece set. As you can see, the bleach isn't quite showing up as I expected, so I bleached it again. So I bleached this set again, but I kept it dry this time and I used the same technique. You can see how it has turned out now. I used this neon pink fabric paint because I wanted the two-piece set to have some pink color in it. Take some water in a bucket and pour the paint in it and dilute the mixture. I accidentally took a lot of water, and that is the reason why this mixture didn't work for me. So I took a mug and then poured some water in it, a little water, and then put a lot of paint in it. I diluted the mixture and then I literally just slapped that water paint mixture on the fabric. I would have loved if this two-piece set was this vibrant. I loved the pink in it, but it didn't turn out this vibrant because I didn't keep it for that long, I guess. Or maybe the fabric wasn't that... Maybe the fabric didn't hold the paint that much. I don't know what the reason was, but it didn't come out this vibrant. Whatever the reason might be, I really loved how it turned out. The pink wasn't that vibrant, but it did show up, and I actually like this top a lot better than the shorts, but it is really a great lounge piece. I absolutely loved how this t-shirt has turned out, especially after cropping it. It is looking very different and chic, and I love the fact that it is very neutral and muted. As for this knit sweater, I'm not going to say that it is my favorite, but at least now I don't hate it. I mean, it is quite actually nice and wearable. It is unique, and that's all I needed. I really loved how this leggings has turned out. I mean, a few years back I wouldn't even wear orange color clothes because I thought that it just didn't look good on me. But now I realize that orange is a really very fun color. You should wear more orange. It's more positive, and yes, I really loved how funky and bright this leggings has turned out.